Have you ever looked at the lifestyles of those driving stylish cars, living in lavish houses, and thought, I wish this was my life? Well, today is the day we change that. I'll be unveiling a strategy that can help beginners like you earn over $5,000 per day through trading. Stick around till the end and I'll guide you through every step, ensuring you can replicate this success daily. Happy to see you guys again. For those who are new here, I'm Agatha, a professional trader with over 7 years of experience. Over the last 3 years, I've focused specifically on binary options, and I've made more than $2 million. Now, let's dive into the main part of today's video. I'll be walking you through my top strategy, starting with just $30 and aiming to turn it into a whopping $5,000 in just 10 minutes. Sound ambitious? Well, let me show you how it's done. First thing first, let's set up our Quotex platform. Alright, step 1. Let's set the candlestick time frame to 30 seconds. Trading time to 1 minute. Our currency pairs for today are the Australian dollar and the Japanese yen, the US dollar and the Brazilian real, the US dollar and the Indian rupee, and finally, the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar. Today, we'll be relying on two powerful indicators, zigzag and stochastic oscillator. Watch till the end to master these indicators for maximum gains. Everything is set for trading. If you are eager to learn and earn, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let's dive into the strategy to see its maximum potential. The Australian dollar and the Japanese yen. Here we are observing a sideways trend and seeing an upward movement at our entry point. Clicking up. That's right, $57. We've just doubled our deposit with a single trade. Let's continue. On to the second pair. Here we are seeing a classic textbook scenario. The trend has shifted downwards from our local maximum, and we are going to ride that wave. Let's hit the down button. A little more, and great! Oh, I love getting richer and richer with every trade. Our balance has grown to $109 and we're just getting started. Ever wondered how to level up your wealth game without all the boring formalities? I've dived into loads of strategies and geeked out on different indicators, so you don't have to. Now, here's your chance to ride the money train with me for free. Every day I share my personal strategies, signals, and forecasts with more than 8,000 subscribers on Telegram. They just copy my trades and earn $500 a day with a quick trading session. Don't miss out on this. Join via the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Next up, the US dollar and the Indian rupee. The stochastic curves are dropping hints about a downward movement in the charts. And hey, check out that long red candle following a green one. Seems like the bulls had a bit of a rough day trying to take over. But we are not paying much attention to that and just hitting the down button. And boom! Our deposit jumps to $211. But you know, in the world of binary options, this is just the beginning. Alright, here comes the Australian and the Canadian dollars. There is this vibe of a fresh resistance level popping up, suggesting that the candle might be heading its way. Up we go! Brilliant! And we are at $400. Resistance levels can be your ticket to doubling the deposit. If you've been following me on Telegram, you know the drill. Recently, we had a profitable session, scoring nearly $5,000 in profit. And we've got a burning question for you. Who do you think are more successful as traders, guys or ladies? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We're collecting valuable statistics on this one. We're capitalizing on the upward trend for our selected pair. Stochastic curves are predicting a bullish momentum, so it's clear up signal. Let's keep the money flowing. Before we go any further, let's talk about indicators. The zigzag indicator is your guide to spotting major price direction changes. Pay attention to those directional shifts. They might be game changers for your trades. Next up, the stochastic oscillator. It shows how close the current price of an asset is to its highs or lows for a specified period. When the price is above 70, the asset is in the overbought zone. And since there are more buyers than sellers in the market, the price will likely start to fall. If the price is below 30, the asset is in the oversold zone, and it's likely that the price will begin to rise soon. Together, these indicators give a comprehensive insight into price dynamics, which allows us to forecast potential shifts in the chart. Our trade is nearly complete, and stochastic didn't disappoint. We are sitting on $769 and things are looking fantastic. Let's keep the momentum going. The US dollar and the Brazilian real. Expecting bullish movements on the minute time frame, so we're gonna press up on this one. And just like that, it's another correct call. Awesome! Our strategy is paying off and our balance has been boosted to $1,478. Alright, third pair now. Stochastic points downward. Let's ride the trend and press down. Nailed it! The lower option rakes in $1,920. Alrighty, time for the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar pair. Mirroring our previous trade but in the opposite direction. Riding the upward trend, we are hitting up button. Boom! This is exactly how I made $2 million in a year. Let's move on to the Australian dollar and the Japanese yen now. Both indicators signal market growth, prompting an up bet. Bam! Got it! Our balance is a crazy $4,218. A 140-fold increase. But we are not hitting the brakes. Let's keep the session rolling. We are seeing a sideways trend on the second pair. Green candles hit the support level, and we place our bet on growth. Well done! Profit! Our balance is now $5,078, proving the power of competent chart analysis. You can get the same results if you follow my decision-making process in these videos closely. The US dollar and the Indian rupee. We've observed a trend reversal from our local minimum, but the price is now consolidating within its average range, forming a sideways movement. Following our strategy for short time frames, it makes sense to invest in growth. Let's click up. Bam! Great! Our balance is at $5,998. Everything is going super well. Let's do another trade and analyze the final profit. Here we go. The Australian and the Canadian dollar. Pay attention here. A clear trend reversal is ongoing from our historical high, with both indicators signaling a further decline in price. Friends, there are moments in the market when a trader's intuition, chart patterns and indicators align to suggest the same decision. In such cases, it's crucial to take all you can get out of a trade. We are making a triple investment, pressing down 3 times. A little more and done. Wow, look at this. We're actually trading gas. From $30, we've increased the deposit to $8,698. Where else can you achieve a 289-fold increase in your investment in just 10 minutes? Not in a year, not in a day, but in 10 minutes. What's the conclusion? Binary options are the key to realizing your dreams. Earning $2 million a year on binary options has allowed me to fulfill my dreams. A luxurious house, my dream car, and trips to countries I've always wanted to see. My life is a testament to how effective binary options are. But my greatest pride is my Telegram channel with over 8,000 members. It's a community where I share daily deals and guide them on when, how, and in what currencies to trade. On average, each member earns $500 per session. I receive messages of gratitude with photos and videos of happy faces. Want in? All you need to do is join my Telegram channel via the first link in the description and shoot me a private message. I'll take you by the hand and guide you step by step on how to start earning money. I'll explain how to use Quotex, down to details like which buttons to press. In just a couple of days, you will understand trading and start earning your first money. It's that simple. Join, get a free step-by-step guide and start earning money. I'm waiting for you on my Telegram channel. Get on board and change your life right now. The first link is in the description and in the pinned comment under this video. Guys, this was an incredible session. Thanks for watching. Peace out and I'll see you on my Telegram channel. Bye!